was gorgeous.
I am so happy with my purchases.
You did a good job
I
today.
did great. I got long, like I like long socks. And they're hard to find the kinds I like. I got a pair with stripes, and then I got a black pair with silver stripes.